So in this video, we are required to simplify 5n minus 4 into bracket 5n plus 4. Obviously, this is a difference of two square problem. So I'll try and solve it in those two ways. And just to revise that. So following this certain procedure I've been using, we use this to open this. So we can say this is 5n into bracket 5n plus 4. Excuse me. 5n plus 4. Then minus 4 into bracket 5n plus what? 4. 5n times 5n, that is what? 25n square. 5n times 4, that is plus 20 what? N. Minus 4 times 5n minus what? 20n. Minus 4 times 4, that's minus what? 16. Okay. So at the end of it, we are going to be having what? 25 what? N square minus 20n plus 20n, they cancel out. Then minus what? 16. So this is the final answer to this. However, we can use the difference of two square. How do I mean? I'll just do a recall. Recall that from difference of two squares, if you have a square minus b square, is the same thing as a plus b into bracket a minus what? B. And from the question we're given, don't forget we're given 5n minus 4, right, into bracket what? 5n plus what? 4. So this and this, they correspond to each other basically. So we can use difference of two square. So this corresponds to what? A, and this corresponds to what? B. So from difference of two squares, so we can say that a square minus b square is the same thing as 5n square minus what? 4 square. All right. So 5n square is the same thing as what? 25 what? N square. Then minus 4 square, that is what? 16. So that is that if you decide to use difference of two square. Thank you for watching my video. I want you to please subscribe to this channel. Do just watch and leave. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.